Morning students, as you all know, yesterday I have completed up to this exercise of the English literature workbook. So today I am continuing with this exercise forming questions, and this is on page number 28. Okay, so put the words into the correct order to form questions. It is given, don't forget to add a question mark at the end. This is the words are given here and there. You have to prepare a proper sentence with the help of this, and at the last you have to put the question mark also. Okay, let's begin with the exercise. So children did go the yesterday where. You can form it like this: where. You also write with pencil. Where did the children go yesterday? And at the last you can put the question mark also. Next is old how younger is brother his. You can write a proper sentence like this: how old is his younger brother? You can complete the statement like this, and at the last you put the question mark because you are forming a question sentence. Next is could did the say they when building start work they the on. You can write it like this: did they say when could they start the work on building? The work on building. Again sentence is completed, and at the last you put the question mark. For come has days not why work 2 3 he. You can write it like this: why has he not come to work for 3 days? For 3 days. At the last put the question mark also at the last. Fifth one. On give what the birthday she did child his present. You can write it like this: what present did she give the child on his birthday? You can complete it like this. Then the last one, sixth one, that owner tall building is who the of. It is given like this. You can write it like this: who is the owner? Who is the owner of that tall building? And at the last put a question mark. Next, try to think. Next exercise on page number 29. Try to think of 5 countable and 5 uncountable nouns. Write them here. Countable, I have told you in the previous classes also. Countable means which we count easily, and uncountable which we does not count. Okay. So 5 words you have to give which we easily count. First one is write boys. Next is girls. Boys, girls. Next is friends. Next is dog. And next is house. Uncountable. In uncountable, you can write the words which we not count. Rice, floor, wheat, mud, wind. Mud and wind. So these are the words which is uncountable, na? Rice, flour, wheat, this is your next exercise. Use so many or so much in the blanks below. The pictures clues will help. Pictures are given. On the basis of this you have to write so much and so many. Okay. So you can write, fill it like this. First one, exercise 2. Use so many. Akbar has, in the picture you are seeing money is there, so you can write Akbar has so much money, that he can buy what he likes. Next is, there are dash in the cupboard that it won't shut. So it will be, you have to write it so many things, because second picture is given the almirah's picture, na. Come to the next. There was dash in the teapot that we all had 2 cups. So you have to write so much tea. So much tea. Next, Prema read dash that her eyes itched. So many stories. So many stories. Next, there were dash in the sky that we couldn't see the sun. So there were so many clouds. So many clouds. Next, the boys wasted dash that the teacher was cross. So much paints. So much paints. So you all have to do this in your workbook, English workbook, with the help of pencil. Up to this exercise I have done today. So you have to fill it into the book only with the help of pencil only. Okay. And what is your homework? You have to learn the exercises of workbook. Thank you, beta. Okay.